This is the new world.
Blockchain is supporting all of our life essentials, changing how we dine, how we travel, and how we do business with each other. Value transfer became readily available, constructing a trustable, transparent, and fair society.
And Ultrain has been supporting all of this since 2018. Ultrain is a full-stack, decentralized technology and business ecosystem.
We implemented our own consensus based on random proof-of-stake algorithm. By adding sharding, device ID, and optimal crypto algorithms, we maximized the efficiency of our mainnet with a truly decentralized feature and highest security guaranteed.
Our own smart contract framework uses the most user-friendly programming language to provide the world a one-stop develop and deploy solution. Ultrain is not just a public chain, we are the engine serving as the core to enable and to empower millions of applications and programs in this new world.
Enterprise to enterprise, individual to individual, they can program the value transfer they wished for. Ultrain One app is an end-user-facing interface, allows the end user to originate and finish their value transactions easily. We are creating a programmable business society. We are changing the way of connectivity. We are changing the way of living. Whether you are a consumer, a developer, a business owner, or a large enterprise, you can use our system to achieve whatever you need. We care about the society and sustainability, only to grow with longevity thinking for decades and centuries.
We are global. We are local. We are everywhere. Decentralized engine for the new world. Welcome to join us. Ultrain.